Hello, welcome to Boucher Cadillac here in Waukesha, Wisconsin. My name is Matt Borkowski, and what I have here today is your 2015 Cadillac Escalade. Now this is extremely clean vehicle, as you can see here. This is the Cadillac Escalade ESV, and you will have lots of features on here, lots of safety features as well. Again, you'll have the very clean rims, lots of tread left on the tires, virtually brand new. You will have the side blind zone alert, as well as the passive alert system. Again, this will have the 6.2 liter V8 engine. It is an all-wheel drive, four-wheel drive as well, I should say. It does have the tow hitch on the back and the custom Cadillac logo, of course. Now, our vehicles have been checked by our certified technicians, so this particular vehicle went through a 172-point inspection to make sure it's safe for you and your loved ones. And now we do offer the Carfax report online as well as in person. So I'm going to get nice and close here and kind of show you. I just ran through the wash, so it's a little wet, but of course it's very clean, very well maintained. Again, we're going to look at the rims here. Very clean, lots of tread left on the tires, virtually brand new again. Now open up the back, you do have the keyless entry. You press that button, it opens right up. You do have the dual tone interior, very clean, custom wood grain throughout. Here are your captain's chairs. Again, very well maintained. Lots of leg room back here for your passengers and loved ones. Seats in the back look like they've never been used. We'll take a look around now. There is the controls there for your heated seats and your climate control for the rear. Now you will have your plug-ins down there as well. Now the front seats do have heated and ventilated seats, which I'll show you. Now the other nice thing too is this vehicle does have the remote start. You press that down and then you hold this button here and it'll start right up. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and jump on in. Again, the keyless entry, you press that button once, it unlocks. Nice custom dual tone memory seats right here. A nice custom interior, Cadillac authentic. Very clean, custom Cadillac logo right there. You will have lots of safety features in here, and we'll take a look at the Cadillac user experience right here. Now this will control the volume. You just slide your finger down or up, which is pretty nice. Now you do have the Q screen here, so you'll have lots of features in here. You'll have navigation is one of them. You'll have the Bluetooth capabilities, of course, which is pretty nice. You can text through voice. You do have the pedal adjustments here, the glove box, park assist, lane assist, and this vehicle comes with heated and ventilated seats on both sides, dual climate control, CD player, of course. With Cadillac, there's a neat little compartment in here. You just touch this right here, it pops open. You can plug your phone in there, put a wallet in there, anything you like. Again, custom wood grain throughout, cup holders right here as well. Now you do have the wireless charger right here. Plenty of space back here for your passengers. Again, very clean. You will have the easy to read display, and the best part is it only has 36,393 miles. Bluetooth capabilities, forward collision alert, 3-second, 2-second, 1-second heads up if somebody were to slam on their brakes. You have the heated steering wheel, cruise control, volume again for the radio, you can see there, and then many other features. You do have the option to put it in 2 auto, 4 high, 4 low. Of course, the heads up display. Let's see if we can get that in there. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see. We do have the heads up display in there as well. There we go, now you can see it. Now we do work with over 25 different lenders, so we'd like to get you in, find the right lender for you and make you a Boucher family member. We do have our inventory reduction sale going on, so we are priced to sell. Again, my name is Matt Borkowski, 262-754-9600. Thank you.